So my kayak's leaking. I tried to patch it, but it's pretty much flat. And this just shows you how buoyant these inflatable kayaks actually are. I mean, I can still paddle this thing around, and the top part's pretty much deflated. Stephen from Life Aquatic Diving here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to repair an inflatable kayak. Okay, so there it is behind me. Faithful old Intex Challenger kayak. You can see just how much abuse this thing has taken over the years. This thing's gotten me around. It's gotten me kilometers into the ocean, 4 kilometers I think, and back. So what we're going to need for this process is vinyl, good quality thick vinyl glue. Need to find out where to get a decent quantity of vinyl glue, a selection of cutting implements, and some alcohol and a cloth to clean with. And we also need a weight to hold everything down. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is pump up the underside and then check for any leaks on the bottom part of the kayak using water. Long overdue for a clean. To me, the bottom looks pretty good. I don't see any bubbles. I don't see any external air leaks. There's a few places that might need patching. Okay, so this is the thing with inflatables. They're bloody hard work, but I have not been able to find any leaks, any bubbles or anything on the floor of the kayak, which is good. That'd be the hardest part to repair. So I'm going to just double check and then drain the water out again. The bottom looks good. Now I'm just going to open up the valve. Let her drain out. Yeah, I'm just giving the valves a good clean. So as you can probably see, there were a lot of really crappy repairs done with lilo material of all things, just because I did not have access to the decent vinyl that I now have. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just wiping the whole kayak down with alcohol, and then we're going to reinforce bit by bit all the weak points, and eventually the idea is to reinforce all the seams. So these are the seams that have been giving so much trouble. Costura, they call it in Brazil. And basically it's because of the heat here, the air expansion, and the bad storing of the kayak. I think that this happened and has been happening and continues to happen. So we're going to have to reinforce the whole thing. Clean it off with some alcohol. And you're going to want to cut a patch. This case we don't need a very big patch. So what you want to do is you want to apply the vinyl glue to both sides of the rubber. Let it dry for about 10 minutes and then stick it together and apply pressure. Okay, there we have it so far. Absolutely exhausting work, this, but needs to be done. Nobody ever said that the Life Aquatic was going to be easy. Just going to repair the last little holes, and then we're going to leave it to dry overnight. That's the kayak repairs done for today, and that's really where we want to be getting back to, out there on the Lagoa. So remember, hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the bell if you enjoyed the video. Life Aquatic Diving. See you next time.